This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get rid of that quick access toolbar in Google Drive. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell to receive updates when I post videos in the future. Google Drive has this relatively new feature called the quick access menu, which is useful for me because it allows me to quickly open a document that I may be using frequently. However, you may not want to use it. So this is how you get rid of the quick access toolbar. You click the gear in the upper right hand corner of the screen, which takes you to your settings. And then scroll down to where it says suggestions and uncheck this box that says make relevant files handy when you need them in quick access. So uncheck that box, click done, and then refresh your screen. And now that quick access toolbar is gone. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please be sure to subscribe.